Everyone knows that the microwave is a pretty integral part of any kitchen, so when something does go wrong, it's good to know that Microwave Service Company Limited has got you covered. For the last 20 years, our expert technicians have been repairing, providing spare parts and offering advice that have kept kitchen appliances working effectively and efficiently for years to come. Our busy workshop is where the magic happens. It's where we bring your appliances back to life. If you bring your faulty microwave oven to us, then after a quick estimate, we can get to work. Or if you live in our call-out area, we'll happily come to you. We can repair most makes and models of LG, Neff, Panasonic, Samsung, Sanyo and Sharp. So whether you're a domestic or a commercial customer, we're pretty confident that our fully qualified and experienced technicians can have your appliance back up and running again in no time. You'll wonder why you didn't bring it to us sooner. We also supply and repair low-power microwaves for caravans and motorhomes, as well as 24-volt microwaves for lorries and trucks. Not forgetting our spare parts service. We stock a huge range of lamps, glass trays, waveguide covers, roller rings and so much more, all packaged perfectly and delivered straight to your door. For more information about the services we provide, or if you have a faulty appliance that needs repairing, come and visit Microwave Service Company Limited today.